This video is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the online scam that is related to the site Sesaks.live. Sesaks.live is a malicious website. It may attack Google Chrome and other browsers too. Sesaks.live displays scary alerts which try to make users download and install certain potentially unwanted applications. Sesaks.live therefore is a deceptive pop-up and you should not tolerate or trust it. What you should do, of course, is carefully examine the control panel of your computer and uninstall any items that could be suspicious. Such pop-ups could be the result of some adware on the computer. If you find it, uninstall it in a regular manner. Now, to make sure that your system is free of other threats, I recommend that you investigate it with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect such possibly hidden threats very well. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com, so download the application, install it, and start examining your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.